Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a super useful Power BI trick, how to create a pop-up menu in your dashboard using the desktop version of Power BI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to design interactive pop-up menus that can make your reports look sleek and modern, while also giving your users a smooth experience for interacting with your data. Let's get started. First things first, open up Power BI Desktop and have your report ready. The goal is to create a menu that appears only when you want it to, sort of like an app sidebar or info card, and we'll do that using buttons, shapes, and bookmarks. To create the menu, we'll start by adding buttons that will let the user open and close the pop-up. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. You'll see a section for buttons. Click there and add two separate buttons, one for opening the pop-up menu and a second one for closing it. You can pick styles you like, but I recommend making them visually distinct so it's clear what each does. Before we fine-tune those buttons, let's get the right tools visible. Head over to the View tab and make sure both the Selection pane and the Bookmarks pane are enabled. These will appear on the side, and trust me, having them up is essential for the steps we're about to take. They help you manage what's visible on your report at any given time and allow you to save those views. Next, click to select your button so we can customize it. With the button selected, look at the Visualizations pane, then go to Style. Here you can change the name of the button, for example, label it Open Menu or something clear for your audience. Setting a clear label not only helps with usability, but also makes your dashboard look finished and professional. Now let's work on the pop-up menu itself. We're going to use the Shape tool for this. While still on the Insert tab, choose a shape that will serve as your pop-up. Rectangles are usually a good choice, but you do you. Once you draw it out, it's important that this shape is visible in the Selection pane. Think of this shape as the background or the body of your menu. You can even add other visuals, text, or icons on top of it later. At this stage, when you click your Open button, you want the pop-up to appear. To make this happen with everything set as you want it, go to the Bookmarks pane and add a new bookmark. Name it something meaningful like Open. This bookmark will capture the menu in its visible state. Now let's connect the Open button to this new bookmark. Select the button, look for the action setting, and turn it on. For the action type, choose Bookmark, and then select your Open bookmark from the drop-down list. This way, when someone clicks your button, Power BI knows to jump to the view you saved with the pop-up showing. To make sure everything is working, click the three dots next to the Open bookmark and hit Update. This saves your settings so Power BI knows exactly what you want the bookmark to do. A lot of folks miss this step, so don't forget to update. Now let's set up closing the menu. Here, where things are a bit different, you want the pop-up shape to be hidden when the menu is closed. In the Selection pane, find the eye icon next to your shape and click to hide it. Then, just like before, make a bookmark, call this one Close. Save this new state where the shape is invisible. Add an action to your Close button exactly as you did for the Open button, but link it to the Close bookmark instead. Finally, to test everything out, hold down the Control key and click your buttons. If the menu pops up and hides just the way you intended, congratulations, you've made your own interactive pop-up menu. And that's it. Now your Power BI dashboards can feature powerful pop-up menus, making them more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions or want to see more Power BI tips, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.